Hello and welcome to this student session study material. This is part of the Unit 207, Carry Out First Fix Flooring and Roofing. Module 207.1. Know how to construct roofing structures. Sub-Module 207.1.1, Identify types of roofing structures. This learning material was brought to you by Educon, written and developed by James Ricks. In this session we are going to be looking at the different types of roof shapes you can see all around you, and some you don't. We will also look at roof structures like cold and warm roof deck construction. We will find out how roof structures are chosen in different environments, and lastly, we will state the purpose of a roof. Roof shapes. Roof shapes define the character and functionality of a building, influencing its aesthetic appeal, structural integrity, and ability to withstand different weather conditions. From the classic pitched roof to modern flat designs, roof shapes vary widely depending on architectural style, climate, and practical needs. Whether designed for drainage, insulation, or simply to make a bold statement, the shape of a roof plays a vital role in the durability and efficiency of a structure. Let's take a look at some of the different roof shapes we can find all around us. There may also be some that you haven't seen too. Dutch roof. A Dutch roof, also known as a Dutch gable roof, is a hybrid roof style that combines elements of both gable and hip roofs. It features a traditional gable roof design with a small, sloping hip section at the top of the gable ends. This unique structure not only enhances the aesthetic appeal of a building but also improves stability and provides better wind resistance compared to a standard gable roof. It often allows for additional attic or loft space, as well as better ventilation. Flat roof. A flat roof is a type of roof that is almost level, with a slight pitch for drainage purposes. Unlike sloped roofs, flat roofs have a minimal incline, typically less than 10 degrees. They are common in modern and minimalist architectural designs, as well as in areas with dry climates. Flat roofs are often used for their simplicity, ease of construction, and ability to provide usable space for terraces, gardens, or solar panels. However, they require proper waterproofing and maintenance to prevent issues like water pooling. Gable end roof. A gable end roof, also called a pitched or peaked roof, is one of the most common roof designs. It has two sloping sides that meet at a ridge, forming a triangular shape at each end of the building, known as the gable ends. This design allows for efficient water runoff, improved ventilation, and additional attic or loft space. Its straightforward structure makes it easy to build and versatile for various architectural styles. Gambrel roof. A gambrel roof is a symmetrical, two-sided roof with two distinct slopes on each side. The upper slope is gentle, while the lower slope is steeper, creating a shape similar to a barn roof. This design is commonly seen in Dutch colonial architecture and barns, offering increased attic or loft space. Its unique structure provides excellent drainage and maximizes usable interior space without significantly increasing building height. Hipped roof. A hipped roof, or hip roof, is a design where all sides of the roof slope downward toward the walls, creating a gentle, uniform appearance. It has no vertical gable ends, and the slopes meet at a ridge on top. This type of roof is known for its stability, wind resistance, and effective drainage, making it suitable for various climates and architectural styles. It also provides a streamlined and elegant look to the structure. Jerkin head roof. A jerkin head roof, also known as a clipped gable or half-hip roof, combines elements of both gable and hip roofs. It features a gable roof design with the peak of the gable ends truncated, creating a slight hip. This design improves stability and wind resistance compared to a traditional gable roof, while still maintaining a visually appealing and distinctive look. Mansard roof. A mansard roof, also known as a French roof, is a four-sided design with two slopes on each side. The lower slope is steeper and often has windows, creating extra living space, while the upper slope is shallower. This elegant and practical style is popular in French-inspired architecture and maximizes usable attic or loft space without adding much height to the building. Monopitch roof. A monopitch roof, also known as a shed or skillion roof, is a single sloping roof that inclines in one direction. It has a simple and modern design, often used in contemporary architecture. This style is efficient for shedding water and snow and is easy to construct. Monopitch roofs are ideal for extensions, carports, or structures with minimalist aesthetics. Pyramid roof. A pyramid roof is a four-sided roof design where all sides slope upward and meet at a single central point, forming a pyramid shape. This symmetrical structure is commonly used on smaller buildings or features like gazebos. Pyramid roofs are known for their durability, excellent wind resistance, and ability to effectively shed water, making them both practical and visually striking. Salt box roof. A salt box roof is an asymmetrical design with one side that is longer and slopes more steeply than the other. This style, often associated with colonial architecture, creates a distinctive profile resembling the lid of a traditional salt box container. It offers practical benefits like increased interior space and excellent water drainage, while also adding a touch of historical charm to buildings. Valley roof. A valley roof is formed by the intersection of two roof sections that meet at an inward angle, creating a V-shaped groove or valley. This design is often used in complex roof structures with multiple slopes and is effective at directing water runoff toward the valleys for drainage. While functional and versatile, valley roofs require proper construction and maintenance to prevent water pooling or leaks. Good, you now know about a variety of roof shapes. While you're out and about, have a look at the rooftops around you and see if you can identify their shapes. Now, let's move on to roof structures. Roof structures. Flat roofs can be categorized as either cold or warm, depending on how they are insulated. A warm flat roof has insulation placed above the roof deck, keeping the entire structure warm and reducing the risk of condensation. In contrast, a cold flat roof has insulation below the roof deck, leaving the deck exposed to external temperatures, which can lead to moisture buildup if not properly ventilated. Each type offers advantages depending on climate, construction preferences, and energy efficiency needs. Cold roof deck. A cold roof is a type of roofing design where the insulation is placed directly above the ceiling of the top floor, leaving the roof space itself uninsulated. This means that the external roof structure remains at a similar temperature to the outside environment, which can help prevent issues such as condensation. Cold roofs are commonly used in traditional pitched roof constructions and are effective at maintaining airflow within the roof space, reducing the risk of moisture buildup. However, they require proper ventilation to ensure that warm, moist air does not accumulate and cause damage to the roof structure over time. Compared to warm roofs, where insulation is installed above the roof deck, a cold roof may be more susceptible to temperature fluctuations but can be a simpler and cost-effective solution in certain building designs. Pause the video here to study the component parts of then cold roof deck. Roof structures. Flat roofs can be categorized as either cold or warm, depending on how they are insulated. A warm flat roof has insulation placed above the roof deck, keeping the entire structure warm and reducing the risk of condensation. In contrast, a cold flat roof has insulation below the roof deck, leaving the deck exposed to external temperatures, which can lead to moisture buildup if not properly ventilated. Each type offers advantages depending on climate, construction preferences, and energy efficiency needs. Warm roof deck. A warm roof is a construction method where insulation is installed above the structural roof deck, creating a continuous thermal envelope that keeps the entire roof space warm. This design minimizes the risk of condensation by reducing temperature differences between the interior and exterior surfaces, making it particularly effective for flat roofs or buildings requiring enhanced thermal efficiency. Since a warm roof keeps the structural elements within the insulated zone, it improves energy efficiency and can contribute to lower heating costs. Additionally, this approach helps protect the roof structure from extreme temperature fluctuations, extending its lifespan. While warm roofs generally require careful design to ensure proper waterproofing, they are a popular choice for modern constructions aiming to meet stringent energy performance requirements. Pause the video here to study the component parts of the warm roof deck. When you're ready, resume the video to move on to roof and the environment. Roof structures. Flat roofs can be categorized as either cold or warm, depending on how they are insulated. A warm flat roof has insulation placed above the roof deck, keeping the entire structure warm and reducing the risk of condensation. In contrast, a cold flat roof has insulation below the roof deck, leaving the deck exposed to external temperatures, which can lead to moisture buildup if not properly ventilated. Each type offers advantages depending on climate, construction preferences, and energy efficiency needs. Roof and the environment. The shape of a roof plays a crucial role in how a building interacts with its environment. Different roof designs can influence factors like climate adaptation, energy efficiency, and environmental sustainability. Here's how. Weather resistance. Roof shapes are often tailored to withstand local weather conditions. For example, steeply pitched roofs, like gable or A-frame roofs, help shed heavy rain and snow in colder climates, while flat or gently sloped roofs are common in dry, warm regions where drainage isn't a major concern. Energy efficiency and sustainability. The roof's shape can affect heat retention or dissipation. Dome-shaped or sloped roofs improve airflow, reducing the need for artificial cooling or heating. Some roofs, such as shed or flat designs, allow for easy solar panel installation, improving energy sustainability. Wind and structural stability. In high wind areas, aerodynamic roof shapes, like hip roofs, minimize wind resistance and improve structural stability. Conversely, large overhangs or complex designs may be more vulnerable to strong winds. Water management and drainage. Roof shape affects how water is directed away from a building. Poor drainage can lead to damage, while well-designed roofs prevent flooding and erosion. Green roofs, for instance, absorb rainwater and reduce runoff, benefiting urban ecosystems. Ecological impact. Some roof designs support biodiversity. Green roofs, which incorporate vegetation, help regulate temperature, improve air quality, and provide habitats for wildlife. Meanwhile, certain roofs maximize natural light, reducing reliance on artificial lighting. Roof purpose. Let's look at the different reasons for the purpose of a roof. Protection from weather. A roof shields occupants from rain, snow, wind, and sunlight, ensuring the interior remains safe and habitable. Temperature regulation. By insulating a building, roofs help maintain indoor temperatures, reducing the need for excessive heating or cooling. Water drainage management. Roofs are designed to channel rainwater away, preventing leaks, flooding, and structural damage. Structural integrity and stability. A roof helps distribute weight and enhances a building's overall strength, especially in harsh weather conditions. Energy efficiency. Roofs can support sustainable elements like solar panels or green roofing to reduce energy consumption and carbon footprint. Aesthetic and cultural significance. From traditional slope designs to modern flat roofs, the shape and style of a roof contribute to a building's architectural identity and function. Thank you. We would like to say thank you for using this learning material. We hope you found it useful.